let's talk about a product that is not so glamorous but well needed for beautiful feet. No matter if I buy a great outfit or a Callus shaver, I want style and functionality combined. So I decided to get this 52-piece Callus shaver set from Amazon. What I like about it is that it's stainless steel, high quality, and you get a whole lot of blades included. Functionality-wise, it was important for me that it's easy to use and change the blades. And as you can see, it's just pressing it and it's done. I also like that it comes with a foot file head. So you have all-in-one both Callus shaver and foot file. This is perfect for your home pedicure and keeping your feet fresh. To use the foot file head, you just press it on. The 50 replacement blades comes in small boxes like this, and they are sturdy and good quality. Not like those bendable weak ones that break easily. So if you like me look for functionality that also looks good, then this Callus shaver is for you. You can buy it with confidence.